Shemai, lesson 7 on how to read music on our bass ukuleles. So I'm guessing by now, if you're on lesson number 7, you have already done lessons 1 to 6. All right, they are progressive. I'm using this book, which is Team Strings. It's a double bass book, but it works just as well on our bass ukuleles and bass guitars as well. And I do mention way back in a taster tester lesson why I use this particular book. And I would highly recommend getting it because I'm not covering all the music in the book. And there is, in some cases, an accompanying CD which has got some backing tracks you can use. So again, I'm keeping these lessons simple. I'm looking at page 17 in the book today. You can see the whole page has just appeared now. So it's notes on the G string. So it's going to be our open G. First finger, which is 2nd fret, which is an A. And then all 4 fingers down, 4th fret for a B. Now straight away, there's a G. We know our open G string, but A, hang on, last lesson we looked at, okay, so there's an octave there. So yes, we're playing a high A and a low A, but in this lesson we are mainly looking at the top string, open G, so G, A, B, and some of the notes on the D string. Now remember the musical alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. What comes after G? A. You don't play a H in music. So the first 2 little exercises, right? Top space is our top string or highest string, which is our G. Then the next line up is our A, which is 2nd fret. And then you can see it's actually run out of spaces. It sits on top of the top line is our B. And you can either play it with all 4 fingers down, or you can play it with your ring finger as well, your 3rd finger. But either one, make sure you're pressing your 1st and 2nd fingers down to help you really press those strings down nice and firmly. And your little reminder, pluck the strings across the front of the bass, not away from the bass. You get a much, much nicer sound. Here we go. So the first little exercise is all minims with a minim rest at the end, and it's just notes on the G string. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, rest, rest. And we stop the note ringing by dampening it with our left hand. All right, so that was nice and easy. We're going to do it one more time, a little bit faster, and I won't count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. Straight on to the next one. We've got crotchets or quarter notes and minims and a semibreve. That circle with no tail, okay? That means we're going to hold it for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and of course it's a video, so you can pause it, practice, rewind, practice, and so on. Okay, so a very well-known traditional nursery rhyme, Merrily We Roll Along. It's only got our 3 notes, our G, our A, and our B. So it's all on the G string. There are crotchets, minims, and a semibreve at the end. And this one, you can see the little keyboard sign, means there is a backing track on the CD if you've got that with the book. Merrily We Roll Along. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I purposely did that one quite fast, all right? You can slow the video down, press the settings below, but it gives you something to aim for and practice now, okay? And of course, because it's a well-known tune, hopefully that will help. So Tin Soldier's next, notes on the G string, G, A and B, and there's some mid-da-da-da line, open Ds in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest at the end. Okay, now then, the clock, all right? Really important you keep this one in time, okay? I will play it a little bit slower to start with, and I will count. We've got our notes on the G string, G, A and B, and we've got some open Ds in there. I'm just looking, no, I haven't missed anything else out. And there is a backing track for this one. So the clock, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keeping it steady. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now hopefully you're keeping an eye on my left hand as well if you're not actually playing along, all right? Watch what my left hand is doing, because I'm trying to keep my fingers as close to the string as possible. In other words, when I'm playing an open G, for example, I'm not going like this with my fingers. I'm not moving my arm, okay? I'm keeping it ready to press back down onto the string again. So now the day is over. I remember singing this in primary school. It's got a backing track with it as well. This has got notes on the D string and G and A, all right? So it starts on an F sharp. We've got crotchets, we've got minims, we've got minim rests, okay? And again, like you've seen on some of the others, those little funny shapes, like goalposts, that's a bow marking for double bass. We don't worry about those. 1, 2, 3, 4. F sharp, G, A, F sharp, G, first finger E, rest, rest. Sharps, E, and then D to finish. Rest, rest, okay? Hopefully some of you will recognise that. I'm going to play it one more time to finish the lesson off and try and not say anything. little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, now I think that one, the end of this lesson, is actually easier than the end of lesson 6, which was that big long The Grasshopper. So there we go, that's lesson 7 done. The next lesson, I will try and keep these coming quite quickly. I'm looking at key signatures. Now I may well get the whiteboard out and actually do a little bit of theory during that how to read music lesson, because it'll help explain about key signatures a lot more if I can sort of draw some diagrams and things, okay? So, notes on the G string done. That's 3 of the strings done now. D, A and G string. As I said a second ago, I will be looking at key signatures next lesson as well. As always, if you've got a comment or a question, feel free, leave it below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.